In this tutorial, you learn how to create and manage OTDR jobs with Exchange and FTB Lite. Let's begin by creating a job in Exchange. Start on the Exchange app page. From here, you can create a job within your workspace. Begin by creating an OTDR job. If the job isn't in progress yet, go ahead and set it up. Input the number of cables and fibers. Then give the template a name. At this point, you can either create the job as is or add additional properties such as the company name, customer, locations A and B, planned date, and due date. Afterwards, just click on Add to create the job. Once created, it will appear in your workspace and can be assigned to you or other people from your organization. Now, switching over to the FTB Lite. On the main screen of the FTB Lite, you'll see the job section. The job you just created will automatically sync with the device. There's no need to manually download anything. As long as you're connected to your Exchange account, the job will be pulled in automatically. Click See All to view the full list of available jobs. You'll find the one you just created. You can start from any test point. Simply click on the test point. This takes you into the OTDR page. Modify the acquisition parameter if needed, and hit play to start the acquisition. Once the test is complete, the results are automatically uploaded to the cloud via Wi-Fi. The trace file is included with the test point. A small cloud icon will indicate that the result has been successfully sent to the cloud. Now, let's switch back to the Exchange web app. Back in Exchange, you'll see your job. If the progress bar hasn't updated yet, just click Refresh. You'll then see that the test results have been uploaded. Click into the job to see the details. Select the checkmark to view the KPI details. For example, you'll see the acquisition wavelength, for example, 1550 nanometers, total loss, and the ORL of the trace. At the bottom, there is a link to the trace file. Click the link to download the result file, which you can then open in Fast Reporter. In the Result Details section, you'll find a full overview: length, direction, test wavelength, loss, and ORL. All the basic KPIs you need to assess link quality. Next is the link view, which provides a visual representation of the fiber link. You can see all components and their positions relative to the fiber's start and end. Click on splices or other elements to view their properties and measurement details. Here, you can also access the graph view, which displays the OTDR trace with all elements. Great for a quick visual check. Further down, the element table consolidates all data. If you've made acquisitions at both 1310 and 1550 nanometers, you'll see combined results here. You'll also find threshold settings, a summary, and job information. If needed, you can generate and download a PDF report using this button. And that's it for the FTB Lite and Exchange integration. Everything is streamlined so that you can focus on the acquisition process, while Exchange and the OTDR application handle the rest.